Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Illustrator to make underwater current waves similar to this one. Let's get started. Go to File, New, choose Web, Web Large, and title it something like Water Currents. And click Create. Grab the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle over your background, set the stroke to none, and use the X key to bring the fill forward, and select Gradient. Click Edit Gradient, and let's change the angle to 90 degrees, and double click the black slider, and with my swatches here I'm going to choose kind of a blue-green color, and I want it to be a little bit darker, so something kind of like that. Now I'll choose the white slider and get the same blue-green color, but maybe make it a little bit lighter. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Over here in the Layers panel, I'm going to open this little menu with the arrow and lock that background layer. Now I'm going to grab the pen tool. I'm just going to start clicking some zigzag lines on here. And then touch my beginning point and my end point. Now I'm going to grab the curvature tool and double click all of the points that I want to convert into curves. So some of them I'm leaving pointy. All right, now I'll just grab the pen tool again and throw some more curved marks on here. So some will be small and some will be large. Grab the curvature tool and continue to fill my canvas with these wave structures. Okay, now that I've drawn all my wave shapes, I'm going to get the selection tool and select all of them by drawing a selection around them. Now you could leave them gradients or you could change them to a solid color. I think I'm going to go ahead and change mine to a solid color. So Window, Swatches, and I'll grab this color here. Now I'm going to right click and group these together, and over here I'm going to go ahead and name this Waves. That's it for this video, everyone. Have fun!